This video explains how to configure the Scan to Network and Scan to Local PC features for Xerox B105 B115 Multifunction Printer. The Scan to Network PC feature allows you to scan from your machine to a computer over the network. The Scan to Local PC feature allows you to scan from your machine to a computer connected with a USB cable. Ensure the Xerox Easy Printer Manager application is installed. To use the Scan to Local PC feature, it is important to select the recommended installation when you install the Xerox Easy Printer Manager program. Navigate to Start, Programs, or All Programs, Xerox Printers, Xerox Easy Printer Manager, Easy Printer Manager. Open the Xerox Easy Printer Manager application. Select Printers at the top left of the window. Select your machine in the printer list and add it, if required. Select Advanced Settings to get to the Scan to PC Settings button. The Scan to PC Settings screen appears. Select Enable for scan activation. Select your required settings for scan settings. The available options are color mode, resolution, and scan size. Select your required settings for file settings. The available options are Save to, File Format, OCR language, and delete original image after OCR. Select the required option in the Actions after saving area. The available options are Notify Me when complete, Open with default application, Email, and None. Then click Save.